Why your budget keeps failing and how to fix it. 92% of people fail their budgets by February. You're probably one of them. And here's the brutal truth. It's not your fault. Your budget isn't failing because you lack discipline. It's failing because you're using the wrong system entirely. I'm about to show you exactly why traditional budgeting destroys your financial goals and what actually works instead. Stay tuned. Part 1. The real reason your budget fails. Most people start with the 50-30-20 rule. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings. Sounds perfect, right? Wrong. This approach assumes your life fits into neat categories. It doesn't. Let me break down what actually happens. You create a detailed spreadsheet. You track every coffee, every Netflix subscription, every Target run. For 3 weeks. You're crushing it. You feel amazing. You're on track. Then life happens. Your car needs repairs. Your friend's wedding invitation arrives. Your Netflix subscription renews. Suddenly, you're over budget in the wants category by $400. Here's where most people fail. They feel guilty. They think they're bad with money. They give up on the entire budget. They go back to spending like before. Sound familiar? The real problem isn't you. It's that traditional budgets focus on restriction instead of direction. They're built on shame and limitation. Your brain actively resists this. It's why diets fail too. You can't sustain something that feels like punishment. Plus, traditional budgets completely ignore one critical factor. Your money personality. Some people are natural savers. Some are spenders. Some people need flexibility in their budget or they go insane. Trying to force yourself into a system that doesn't match your personality is like trying to force a left-handed person to write with their right hand. It's painful and inefficient. Part 2. The system that actually works. Instead of the 50-30-20 rule, use what I call the reverse budget method. Here's how it works. And it's dead simple. Step 1. Calculate your actual monthly take-home income. Let's say you make $4,000 a month after taxes. That's your real number. Step 2. Immediately automate your future. This is the key. Before you see the money, send it somewhere you can't touch it. Open a Roth IRA at Fidelity or a brokerage account. Send $500 there automatically on the 1st of every month. You just invested in yourself. That money grows in an S&P 500 index fund. And you never see it again. You can't miss what you don't see. Step 3. Automate your essentials. Pull out $900 for rent, $200 for utilities, $150 for insurance, groceries, gasoline, phone bill. These aren't decisions. They're automated. They happen without you thinking about it. Step 4. Here's where the magic happens. Everything left over is yours. No guilt, no tracking, no categories for wants versus needs. If you have $2,000 left after investments and essentials, you can spend it however you want. Buy coffee every day, go to concerts, order delivery, travel, whatever. This works because your brain isn't fighting restrictions. You're not saying no to yourself. You're building wealth automatically while still living your life. And here's what happens next. Something incredible occurs. When you have money left over without constraints, you naturally spend more consciously. You start thinking about value. You stop impulse buying because the pressure is gone. Part 3. The numbers that actually matter. Let's run real numbers. That $500 a month into your Roth IRA? Over 30 years. At 7% annual returns. That's over $530,000. That's not millions. But it's life-changing. That's financial security. That's options. Meanwhile, your friend who stuck with traditional budgeting. They tracked every dollar for 2 months. Felt restricted. Gave up. And built nothing. The second thing that changes. You stop feeling guilty about money. You're not failing your budget because there isn't a budget anymore. There's just your priorities. You know where your essentials are going. You know you're investing in your future. The rest is your choice. This system works for everyone. High earners, low earners, people with irregular income. Adjust the numbers, not the framework. Make $2,000 a month? Invest $200. Cover essentials. Live on the rest. Make $10,000 a month? Invest $1,000. Cover essentials. You know the rest. The call to action. Here's your action today. Tonight, figure out your real take-home income. Tomorrow, open a Roth IRA or brokerage account if you don't have one. Friday, set up that automatic investment. Don't overthink it. Start small. Start now. Your old budget didn't fail because you're bad with money. It failed because the system was broken. This one isn't. If this helped you, smash that subscribe button. We drop videos like this every single week. Let's build wealth together. Word count: 897 words.